Owning a business is a goal for so many Americans. It represents opportunity, flexibility, and the chance to create your own success. But in today's economy, starting a new business can be risky. That's why owning a franchise is more attractive than ever. Ask yourself some important questions. Do you want a well-known and highly respected brand? Would you like to make people happy by serving them products that they truly love and enjoy? Are you looking for experience and a history of franchising success? If you answered yes to any of these questions, I've got great news. A Mrs. Fields franchise may be just right for you.
Before I bought the Mrs. Fields franchise, I was really looking for a business to own and operate. Mrs. Fields had the best name recognition. It had a proven quality product that's very consistent over time. So Mrs. Fields was by far the strongest concept that I looked at.
An uncompromising commitment to quality is one of the reasons Mrs. Fields has been a market leader from the beginning. And a willingness to evolve and introduce new products to meet changing consumer demand is why Mrs. Fields will continue to be a reliable leader and beloved brand. Nothing compares to the satisfaction you'll always get with an indulgent Mrs. Fields treat. Millions of customers know this, and that's why they've consistently voted Mrs. Fields their top snack choice.
Valentine's Day, I sold 300 cookie cakes in one day. That was just the most surprising thing.
Cutting corners or compromising have never been part of the Mrs. Fields mix. With more than 20 years of franchising history, Mrs. Fields has refined a program ensuring each franchise owner has the tools for success.
After you complete the training in Salt Lake City and then you go back to your store, you're really prepared to run your store. However, there's excellent follow-up support with communication through the Franchise Support Center. They'll help you open your store. They'll call you on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, whatever you need. They send out a lot of emails, a lot of communication. So you're always in contact and know exactly what's going on with the Mrs. Fields brand.
Now, more than ever, owning a Mrs. Fields franchise is one sweet opportunity.
We are proud of wearing Mrs. Fields logo shirt walking around shopping mall. People will smile at you because they love your products, they love your cookie.
If I was talking to somebody who's thinking of buying Mrs. Fields, don't wait for it. Just go for it. I mean, it's the best franchising you can own.
Now more than ever, owning a Mrs. Fields franchise is one sweet opportunity. Visit MrsFieldsFranchise.com today for more information.